Tahoe. This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, I'm going to show you the new wallpaper version of macOS Tahoe. For changing the wallpaper or seeing new wallpaper, we go to here, system setting. If you don't see there, you can go at the corner, Apple logo, go inside system setting. System setting, here you have to come this option wallpaper, and the new set of dynamic wallpaper is all here. So you click this one. This is Mac OS beta wallpaper. It will change according to the day and night, the color now is darker. And the old wallpaper, some of them also changes the color. This one I put here, this one not really magnificent, but this wallpaper now they have different color. You see how beautiful they look. Then I put this one golden with yellow, magnificent. Red one here, red, beautiful. And also this one purple, magnificent the color. With the double monitor, if you have, it will look more beautiful in this case. So all of them, they look magnificent, guys. Blue one, the red, the pink one here, all of them are beautiful. You have more wallpaper option here. For example, I click here, show less. Then you have more wallpaper landscape. This is Tahoe day version. Lovely. And you have all the other wallpaper here. You have 76 wallpaper, and older version you have available. So more than 100 wallpaper you can put and design your computer with as you like. So this is the way you can change wallpaper in Mac OS 26 Tahoe version in Mac Mini, MacBook Pro or iMac. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care. Till then, bye bye.